The Delhi Development Authority's continued tree felling counts as a contemptuous act, the Supreme Court decided today, and ordered them to do some compensatory afforestation. For background, the top court held DDA guilty of contempt of court in a case pertaining to tree felling in the Ridge area for a road widening project which would then allow seamless transportation to the CAPFIMS hospital. A bench of Justices Surya Kant, who is next in line to be the Chief Justice of India, and NK Singh said the deforestation revealed a troubling pattern of institutional missteps and administrative overreach. Quote, permission was not obtained, orders were ignored, and environmental damage was inflicted, unquote, Justice Kant said. However, the bench acknowledged the need for tree felling. The bench remarked that healthcare facilities for paramilitary personnel are not a luxury but a necessity. Quote, ensuring access to quality medical care is not a privilege but a necessity, adding that such individuals often remain voiceless. The trees were cut as a part of a road widening project linked to a hospital for Central Armed Police Forces personnel. The court acknowledged the intent behind the project but emphasized the need for environmental oversight. The bench has ordered the creation of a 3-member committee to supervise replantation efforts in the Ridge area, which was a very green area of the capital, and ensure dense tree cover along both sides of the approach road. Additionally, a fine of Rs 25,000 was levied on officials involved in the case. The Supreme Court directed that all future orders and notifications related to afforestation, tree felling, road construction, or activities with environmental consequences must clearly state if related proceedings are ongoing in the top court. This step, the judges said, is necessary to prevent ignorance being used as a defense. That being said, in October 2023, Delhi Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena filed a personal affidavit after the court questioned the legality of the tree felling. Mr. Saxena, who also chairs DDA, told the court he was unaware that the court's permission was required. The court had specifically asked him to provide details of his site visit on February 3rd and explain what actions had been taken to fix responsibility. Mr. Saxena confirmed that during his visit, he was shown the hospital site and later stopped at the road widening location. However, no official informed him that the cutting of trees needed the court's approval. In his affidavit, Mr. Saxena stated he only became aware of the court's requirement on 21st of March when DDA submitted a formal application seeking his permission.